So talking about the extractor, this is similar to something I bought. You can see the rough shape and size and what it looks like. And here you can see that top part was the outtake and this part is the intake. And here you can see the buck. That either steps the voltage or ampage down or up depending on your requirements. So in this case we step it down and increase the ampage so this fan works. And there you can see is the voltage controller or speed controller, and that controls the speed of the fan. So I've made these side bits out of timber, just construction timber. You got these panels, and then these are just what's left over from the scraps of wood for making the legs to make feet, and this one's just to strengthen it so it doesn't fall over. Yeah, you've got the voltage controller here, you've got the buck there, and obviously the fan. And I just need to add pipes to it now.